Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to record Roblox gameplay using OBS Studio. First, we need to download OBS Studio. Open your browser and go to obsproject.com. Once you're there, choose your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and click the download button. The download should begin automatically. When the file finishes downloading, run the installer. Just follow the steps that appear on the screen. You can usually go with the default settings. After installation is complete, go ahead and open OBS Studio. Now, let's set up the screen recording. In OBS, look at the bottom of the window. You'll see a section called Sources. This is where you choose what OBS will record. Right-click inside the Sources box, click Add, and then select Display Capture. Display Capture allows OBS to record your entire screen, which is perfect for capturing Roblox gameplay. You'll be asked to name this source. You can call it something simple like Roblox Screen, so you remember what it is. After that, a new window will appear showing your display. You can choose whether or not to show the mouse cursor. When you're ready, click OK. Your screen should now appear in the preview area in the middle of OBS. You can resize it or move it if you want, but usually the default setting works just fine. To begin recording, look to the right side of OBS and click Start Recording. Then, open Roblox and begin playing your game. OBS will record everything you do on screen while you play. When you're finished, go back to OBS and click Stop Recording. OBS will automatically save the video to your computer. By default, OBS saves videos in MKV format. This format is great because it protects your recording in case your computer crashes. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to record and share your Roblox gameplay using OBS Studio. Thanks for watching.